Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Honda S800 Racing. So this particular casting was like a lot of people are going crazy over this. Maybe it's a classic, maybe that's the reason. I'm not sure what's a big deal. Honestly, when I unboxed that wiper, it was really awesome. So after a long time, I felt happy to buy a Hot Wheels. Okay, let's see how this casting looks. So I bought this for MRP, which is 179. So the initial impressions, so it does have a lot of paint job issues, as you can see here, and on this side as well. So I think these are just extra, the paint when they're trying to do, but it does have, very tiny paint bubbles, rashes kind of thing, as usual. So far one day, I'm really happy that they put out really beautiful casting with beautiful paint job, but next day they disappointed me. You can see here also there is some paint job issue. You can see in the front fenders. So there are no headlight details. Again, I'm not sure why they are doing this. So it has details on top, really I really don't want to say anything. And they don't have any tail light detail as well. So they have details, paint jobs, on both the sides. See, this is supposed to be wiper, and I'm not sure why it is the bonnet stuff on the windshield. So I honestly never saw the real car in my life, and even in the image. So someone needs to tell me if this is right by the casting. So the body is fully metal, so it looks really solid, and the chassis is plastic, which is really nice. It is a bit heavy. Let's do a roll test. Okay, it does roll really well. It rolls really fast, but it does have a lot of wheel wobble. That's the only thing which I don't like. But it does roll really well. See, in general, a heavier casting, it is going to be more grounded, and it will, roll a bit well compared to a lighter casting, because it is not going to hold the ground really well, right? When you are pushing. So the rims looks really nice. It is a bit of, concave or dish, you can say. So it does match really well with the casting. So I really wish they did this casting in red paint job with white stripes. That would have been more beautiful. You can see the red with this casting. That looks really nice. So maybe in next year's case or something, if they plan to do it in red color, I might buy it. So overall, it's a solid casting, and if you are personally a fan of this particular model, go ahead and buy it, because it looks really nice. So if you want, even in track, it rolls really well, even though it has some wheel wobble. So it is going to keep you engaged, if you are planning to do some trick shots or something like that, or even if you want to buy it to your kids. So it is going to be really nice. So overall, it's a nice casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.